Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the flow of important global economic data isn't that impressive today. Durable goods order levels in the US are considered key data, indicating where the giant American economy is headed. And today's release isn't bringing good news. A dip was expected, but they fell far more sharply in October than that, a clear reversal from the September rise. Worse, the October 2019 levels are 4% lower than those for 2018. And it gets even more grim when you look at orders for capital goods. They are down 9.6% in October 2019 from the same month a year ago. The trade wars are taking a real bite out of the American economy. The story doesn't get much brighter on the residential sales front. Existing home sales fell 2.2% in September from August, although at least they're still marginally higher than the same month a year ago. American data isn't all negative, however. The early look at their factory PMIs shows they're still expanding, even if only just. In Canada, they're now seeing their housing market in recovery mode after 2 years of declines. The ECB met overnight and have decided to keep their interest rate settings on hold, but they confirmed they are restarting QE at the rate of 20 billion euros per month. This was the final act of ECB boss Mario Draghi, and there were no more surprises today. From now on, the ECB will be led by Christine Lagarde. Europe needs that QE because its PMI survey showed the bloc in stagnation. In China, the residential property market is coming under increasing stress. More property developers in China are cutting prices on new homes to boost sales and raise cash amid flagging demand and a tougher environment for debt refinancing. And their central bank is pumping in more liquidity into their financial system. In fact, $125 billion in the past week alone. But this has more to do with their impending corporate tax payment deadline than anything else. And the latest World Bank survey of the ease of doing business still has New Zealand in the number 1 position. Australia is at number 14. US Treasury 10-year yield is unchanged today at 1.75%. Gold has jumped up another $9 on top of yesterday's $8, now at $1,501 an ounce. US oil prices are firmer again today, and now just under $56.50 a barrel. The Brent benchmark is just over $61.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is almost half a cent weaker against the greenback today, now down at 63.8 US cents. On the cross rates were soft as well at 93.6 Aussie cents, and against the euro, 57.5 euro cents. That puts the trade-weighted index down to 68.9. I'm David Chaston. It was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.